Everyone, hope all of you are fine. So today in this video we are going to create our first Python code. So first of all, open your PyCharm. So it will take a couple of seconds to open it. So once you open your PyCharm, you will see interface like this. So now click on new project and give a name to your folder here. Also you can actually change your folder location by clicking here. So I don't want to change it because I'm going to create a folder in my desktop. So Python for beginners. Also when you after installation of your PyCharm, you will see when you will open the PyCharm, you will see that this option is checked. Make sure you uncheck this, because if you create a main.py script, then you will be get confused, because if you are not familiar with Python, there is a lots of code, and that's why I said uncheck this. Now click on create. It will take a couple of seconds to create your environment. So it's creating our virtual environment and updating our Python interpreter. So okay, our folder project is created successfully. Now ignore this BNB because it's a virtual environment. So we are going to create our first Python script. So I'm going to click on this, right click your mouse, and you'll see this option new, and hover over this and you'll see lots of option: file, new sketch file. Now choose Python file. Just enter your Python file name. So I'm going to enter main, and you don't need to put .py manually, because when you choose this Python file, it will automatically create the Python extension for your file. So I'm going to click on hit enter. So okay, here is our file. Currently this file is empty. So now we are going to check if our file Python is working successfully, or is there any error showing in our project. Also you can actually run this file in 3 different way. So first of all, select the file that you want to run. So I'm going to, I have currently one file, main.py, and I'm going to run it. So I'm going to click on this run from top navbar, and when you will click on this run, then you'll see that run, and this run shortcut is alt shift F10. So I'm going to click on this, and when you will click on this, you will see if you have multiple files, then every file should be shown here. So I'm going to run only this main file. So I'm going to click on this main, and if my code is perfect, then there will be no error. So as you can see, there is no error in my Python project. So I'm going to type something and then display it on my terminal. So to display anything on your Python script, you have to type print, and inside print you can actually use after print add curly braces, and inside curly braces you can actually add multiple double quote or single quote. So I'm going to add double quotation, and I'm going to type hello fellow bros, fellow brother. Now save it, and I'm going to now run this with by just clicking this on, or I can run this by right click on your mouse, and you'll see run.main. It will automatically run this file. So I'm going to click run.main. So as you can see that my our Python script is successfully worked without any errors. And as you can see, I just changed my terminal font color. If you want to change your terminal font color, you can do this by going this settings, file settings, and go to editor, then color scheme and console colors. Here you can see that the standard output is green. If you want to change your font, you can actually change your font size from here, console font. So congrats, we already created our first Python script. So that's for now this video. So we are going to move our next part. See you later.